Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Game Pass Ultimate, Active, and Fortnite in your cloud library. Once done, connect your 120Hz capable display to the device you'll stream from and prioritize wired Ethernet or a clean 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel. Make sure the controller is paired and set to low latency mode. Then launch cloud gaming through the Xbox app or a supported browser. Sign in and load Fortnite. This gets you into the session where you can push for higher frame rates without delay. Now you optimize the stream. In the Xbox app or browser, enable any low latency or performance streaming option. This reduces input lag and favors frame rate. Next, free up bandwidth, disconnect other devices, enable router co-S for your gaming device, and aim for a consistent connection above about 25 Mbps. Also choose a streaming preset that sacrifices resolution for smoother frames when that option exists. This trades some visual fidelity, so Fortnite can reach 120 frames per second more reliably on cloud servers. Finish by setting Fortnite to performance mode, lowering render scale and visual effects, and setting the in-game frame cap to 120. This tells the cloud session to target high frame rates. Make sure your display and device are set to 120Hz. Otherwise, the stream won't present the extra frames. If you don't reach 120, test Ethernet versus Wi-Fi, switch the streaming quality down, or reboot your router and app. One troubleshooting tip. If stutter persists, confirm other home devices aren't saturating upstream.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.